everything's good. Hey, it's Ryan from the Carb Situation. Remember, I'm not a doctor, I'm not a nutritionist, I'm not a trainer. I'm just a human guinea pig who likes to read a lot and willing to experiment. If you go on the journey with me, maybe you'll learn what I learned. Oh yeah, and I curse a lot. Let's do this. Hey guys, what's up? I'm here for another weekly check-in. Today is May 26th, 2019. That means it's the end of week 10. And I've been on my SMART diet for about 3 weeks now. And a couple days ago, I actually found myself 20 pounds lighter than I was at my heaviest. So I've lost 20 pounds in 22 days. So that was pretty cool. This week wasn't super eventful. I was traveling for work and I did pretty good with my diet. I kind of screwed the pooch one day and ate too many carbs and drank a couple too many vodkas. So the dehydration and the extra calories kind of bit me in the butt for one day, but I recovered the next day. No big deal. And I pretty much hit my goal right on the mark. So that was cool. All right, so let's check some results. Last week, I came in at 219.6 pounds. And this week, I come in right at 216.0 pounds. So I lost 3.6 pounds. And I was hoping to lose about 3 pounds, so that's cool. So on to body fat. Last week, I came in at 29.8% body fat. And today I am 29.1%. So I lost 0.7% in body fat this week. A little bit disappointing, but it's good. So I was hoping to lose 0.8%, 0.7 is good. But if I lost almost 4 pounds, but only 0.7% body fat, that means I may have sacrificed a little bit of muscle in there somewhere. So I have to look at that a little bit closer. And what do we got for this next week? I will be doing some traveling and then I'm at home. My diet will probably not quite be as good as I want it to be, but it'll still be pretty good. And I'll get a couple of strength training sessions in and a couple of bike rides in. Hopefully I can lose another 3 to 4 pounds and another 0.8% body fat. That would be fine by me. So we've got about 5 weeks to go before I want to be back down in the 190 range. That's my goal that I'm trying to hit. So I'm going to have to bump it up a little maybe. I have been in ketosis most of the time. So every time I check it for the last couple weeks. So that's pretty awesome. My blood sugar is down in the mid 80s, even after meals. And I'm in the 1.1 to 1.7 ketone range, which is right in the zone for ketosis. So everything's going to plan. And if you want to just check out my diet and see what I've been eating, everything's good. This upcoming week, I'm going to have a couple videos. One is a miscellaneous questions video that answers a few questions that I've been getting. And I'll have a couple more informational videos. And hopefully you'll find them entertaining. And join me on the 2-week carb challenge. You can find it at my website. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit that little bell icon down there so you don't miss anything. That's all I got for this week. Thanks for watching. Cheers.